right, today we are reviewing the Topps Chrome PSA 9 Durant rookie card. The Sonic, man, they need to bring back the Sonics really desperately because the Sonics had some insane jerseys. But similar to his rookie card, his other Topps rookie card, this is the Chrome edition, but they did do the similarity with the 4 dots. I don't know why they chose 4 dots, but they did that and it matches with the jersey, which is a sick jersey, which is kind of that yellow and green mixture. It kind of reminds you of a Sprite bottle almost, but a little bit different, and I just love that jersey combo. So this is KD when he was nice and young in 2007, and it shows the fans in the background, which some of your other cards don't show that. So that's what I appreciate versus these older cards, versus the newer cards, is the older cards have more with fans, or they have like their photo ops as rookies, and where you're able to see them like holding a basketball or their jersey or whatnot at draft day. And so on the back, it also gives you your stats too, what he was able to accomplish at Texas, and it gives you a little bit of background on Kevin Durant. So overall, nice set, and I'm happy to have this Chrome PSA 9.